Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering and placing the mixer intentionally. Plug the IEC cable and flip power only after connections are staged. Once done, position the unit with 4/6 clearance so cooling fans work and preamps remain stable. Next, label each input channel for mic, line, and die sources so you avoid confusion when routing. This prevents noise and channel bleed later. Make sure phantom power stays off until mics are connected, because you will protect sensitive condensers and avoid pops. Now focus on gain staging and routing so your sound stays clean. You will set each channel trim so peaks sit near -6 to -12 dB. This preserves headroom and reduces clipping. Once trimmed, assign channels to main left/right and any aux or subgroup buses for monitors or effects. Make sure to enable phantom power only on the channels requiring it and verify polarity and phase relationships to prevent cancellation. Also route a clean monitor feed so performers hear themselves without adding feedback. Finish by sculpting each channel and locking your mix. You should apply high-pass filters to clear low-end rumble and use subtractive EQ first. Cut resonances before adding presence, because that keeps the mix natural. Insert compression on vocals or bass to control dynamics and send appropriate levels to reverbs and delays via aux sends so effects blend, not dominate. Finally, run a full sound check, confirm mains and recording feed levels, and if you encounter feedback, lower monitor send levels and check microphone placement as a quick troubleshooting fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.